Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 1/4 drive bike torque wrench set with 37 pieces from ETOOLAB. Hand tool series, the model TW26N Pro. With high precision, clear reading, wide range, micro scale, CRV durable drive, 72 teeth, dual range and torque instructions with QR code. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, the color very bright. User manual with ETOOLAB certificate of calibration. I like that. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. Phillips bit socket PH 2, Posi bit sockets another 2, matte black, I like that, one slotted bit socket, Torx bit sockets 8, from small to large, from T8 to T40, and another 8 hex bit socket from H2 to H8, the larger. Another 9 sockets from 4, 6.6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, it is the larger. Use it to connect 6-point nuts and bolts. One bit holder adapter, one screwdriver, one extension bar, lubricating silicone grease. I like the case, everything is very tight, very secure. One multi-tool, with 3 sockets. Just love it. Small and portable. One adapter for the torque wrench and 1/4 adapter for narrow areas. And the torque wrench, high hardness and durable material. It looks amazing. The ETOOLAB torque wrench uses military grade steel and professional surface rust protection, which ensures user comfort and improves the strength, abrasion resistant and rust resistant of the product. Provides more comfort and longer service life. I like the color, the handle. Here it is the main torque scale, Newton meter, from 1 to 26, very clear, and here from 10 to 231.3 IBF inch. And at the green area it is the micrometer scale from 0 to 0.9 Newton meter and from 0 to 8 IBF inch. Very clear view. When the torque wrench reaches a preset torque value, you will feel a distinct sensation in your hand and hear a loud click. Now to adjust the scale, just pull the torque locking collar and adjust. An example, I need 8.5 Newton meter. There it is, and it locks. So easy. adjust, and it locks. You have a clear view for all the scale, if that is Newton meter or IBF inch. And the maximum it is 26 Newton meter. The release button for all these as accessories, for sockets, posy, Torx, bits and more. The rotation, left and right. I like the sound. 72 teeth. And of course you can connect one of these sockets. Press the button, connect. The extension. And you can connect one of these sockets. Or if you want, you can connect this adapter 1/4 to 3/8 drive socket. Or for the narrow areas. Together with the extension or without the extension. One of the sockets. You choose what you want to do, how you want to use it. You have multiple options. You can use the screwdriver and at the same time it can also be used as an extension rod. There it is. Like that, or here. So many options. I just love it. You can use the screwdriver to connect one of these sockets. I like it. So let's give it a try, see how it works, how it's performing in real conditions. The ETOOLAB Drive Bike Torque Wrench Set is a precision tool designed specifically for bicycle maintenance, ensuring accurate torque application to prevent component damage. If you are serious about proper bike maintenance, this professional-grade torque wrench kit is a game changer. Perfect for carbon components and sensitive parts, prevents damage to carbon frames and lightweight components. Never over-tighten again with clear torque feedback. Ideal for stem bolts, derailleurs, seat posts and brake systems. Complete 37-piece set, all the bits and sockets you need for most bike jobs and even for motorcycle. Compact case makes it perfect for home, workshops or travel. Pro tip, always store at lowest torque setting to maintain calibration. And that's it, the ETOOLAB Drive Bike Torque Wrench Set 26 Nm makes precision tightening a breeze, whether you're working on your handlebars, seat post, bike stem or other critical components. With its 26 Nm max torque and easy to read scale prevents over tightening and you can ride with confidence knowing every bolt is perfectly secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more bike tool guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Where to get it? Check the link in the description for current deals. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your ride smooth and your bolts tighter. See you in the next one.